What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. And today's video, I'm going to be style breaking down Antoine Griezmann style. So he is a player from Barcelona. He is a forward. I'm going to break down 3 characteristics that you guys can take away from his style so you guys can improve your own fashion. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe in the section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and also share the content. So what I want to do here is break down 3 characteristics for you guys to help you guys improve your fashion, help you improve your style, and overall your whole look. So what I'm going to break down first right here is his streetwear fashion, because it's very, very important, because he typically predominantly wears streetwear. So for the first look right here, he is wearing a blue jean jacket and he has an oversized white t-shirt as well, and he actually has like a cream pair of pants. It's kind of a light cream gray pair of pants, and then he has some white shoes which are actually Pumas. So this is actually a great look if you're looking to mix the streetwear casual look. This is a great blend of both. So what really makes it good here is that the fact of the streetwear shoes of the Puma has a great accent with the jean jacket, which makes it have that streetwear look on a casual pair of chinos and with the oversized t-shirt. So if any of you guys ever want to upgrade your style, I'll say try this look out first and then see how it works for you. So for the second look, it's quite similar, but it's a little bit different. You can see he's wearing a black varsity jacket. It is on a high-end look, so you can purchase something like this on endclothing.com, or you can purchase it on ASOS as well. So you can find something similar. And then you got the oversized white t-shirt. You have the skinny denim jeans. That is kind of looks like something you could purchase at G-Star. And then you got the high-end shoes right there. They look like Adidas. So this is a great combination between streetwear looks and high fashion looks that's collaborated into one. So I want to give you guys another example right here where it's predominantly a casual look, where he has the long sleeve jacket, he has the business casual shirt and the chinos, and then he has some streetwear shoes. So this is a great combination of having the accent of a casual look, but throwing on the sneakers, it just changes the whole persona of it. If you change your sneakers to like an Oxford shoe or a loafer, then the whole vibe will be different. The way you approach him will be completely different. This is a great thing about fashion and how you dress, because everything you wear communicates how people will perceive you and how they'll approach you. So one thing I do want you guys to check out is check out the Arccway Instagram, because I'll be posting content on a daily basis. What you'll be seeing is from anything from fashion to style to culture to art, anything that really inspires Arccway as a brand. You guys will just see it from there, and then that way you guys can pick up what you guys like most about it and then apply it to your own style, your own life, your own culture, your own fashion. So next thing I want to get into about Antoine is that he wears suits very, very well. So when it comes down to his suit game, he's always to the T. He's always clean cut with his suits, and this is a pure example of it. You see him right here wearing a classic suit, skinny tie. He has a blue accent shirt, and then he has, I can't tell because from this angle of the editing, but it looks like a rouge suit right here as well. So this is a great look for him. This is a great look for anyone, actually, if you guys want to have a more professional look wherever you go, but at the same time, it's great to have 2 sides of the coin with your style. And another thing you guys can do right here is have a casual shirt, have the casual shirt open with a nice watch. So this is a great example of what he's wearing and how you guys can wear the same thing in your own way. And the great thing about this as well is that you can just throw on a blazer with your casual pair of pants and a black t-shirt, and that's fine enough in certain settings. So this is a great way if you want to have the casual semi look, you can throw on a blazer where it makes it a lot more professional. So last thing I want to talk about with Antoine Griezmann's style is that his haircut, his grooming is a key component to his whole look and how he conveys his messages. So you can see throughout his career, he often does a lot of things to his hair. So the great thing about Antoine is that he changes his hairstyle quite often, and that's actually a great thing when it comes down to his own personality, at the same time when he wears his own outfits. So this is a great way of communication, but I'm gonna show you a few different examples. So he has different stages where he has kind of the classic buzz cut, then he has a little bit of the facial hair, grows out the top, dyes the top as well, but also he kind of clean shaves his face, and then he has like the longer hair. So at the back there too. So there's different ways you can play with it. He kind of has that David Beckham look as well. And then he starts growing out his hair like an afro. So he just lets it go wild. And then he cleans it up a little bit with the face. So there's so many little things you can do for your own hairstyles. And I encourage you guys to not stay stagnant with your own looks, but actually express yourself in different ways. Try things that you never tried before and go from there. Just experiment and then see what works for you, because it's a great way of conveying your message. It's a great way of seeing yourself in a new light, and it's a great way of putting yourself outside the box. So if you guys like this video of me breaking down Antoine Griezmann's style, let me know if you guys want me to break down anyone else you guys may know. It can be athletes, it can be entertainers, it can be public figures. Just let me know. Put in the comment section down below for that. Subscribe to the channel once again, and also share the content with someone you do know. There's many people out there who want to improve their style. Share their piece of content and it could change someone's life. Thank you guys so much for watching Arccway, a new direction of modern man, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.